Hey guys, today we're reviewing the Yeti Rambler 36 ounce stainless steel double walled water bottle. And this thing is durable as heck. So if you know Yeti, this lasts the test of time here. Look, I even have dents on my Yeti and it's still functioning properly. See, we have the Yeti branding all over. And feel how hard this stainless steel is. Like, you can't get any better. The water put in here or any kind of liquid beverage that's cold would, stay cold for a long time, hours at end. And then we have the top with the straw here, which is super cool. Nice handle. So if you want to hold it. So that's what's good. It's not heavy. This is a great size for the in-between of the 26 or the 64. You definitely would want to go with this one at this point, the 36 ounce. So definitely, this should be your go-to Yeti 36 ounce Rambler. Definitely get like the straw top too. They also have this on the regular chug jug top. So definitely the way to go. Definitely get yours. You can't go wrong with a Yeti. For the price, it's not bad at all. So I'd rather go with this. Go get yours.